Welcome to our brand new Corona exhibit for Inside Explorer, a fully digital exhibit designed for public education and display. The exhibition is built in collaboration with scientists and doctors and communicates real scientific research on the SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19 using the power of visualization and exploration. The main purpose is to prevent fear of the unknown by unmasking the virus and making it visible to the human eyes. Visitors can cut into the virus particle and study its structure, or investigate a real spike protein that was captured by an electron microscope. Info points are scattered around the subject and provide detailed explanations and descriptions, giving the user the experience that a textbook is coming to life. The combination of visuals and text creates a highly immersive and interactive learning experience that engages people of all ages. By exploring actual CT scans from a pair of COVID-19 infected lungs, visitors begin to truly understand the virus's destructive capabilities. No text or animation is quite as powerful as seeing the real thing. Pairing this with information on how to stay safe creates an unforgettable learning experience. Tracking month by month, visitors can spin the globe and follow the spread of the pandemic, from the first case of COVID-19 to today's current situation. The perks of having a digital exhibition is that it is not bound to any hardware or physical space. If you do not have access to a touch table or are limited due to ongoing restrictions, you can display the content on a computer, project it onto a wall, or use it as an online workshop, giving you remote classroom capabilities. It's all up to your imagination. Installing the ready-to-go Corona exhibition at your science centre saves you both time and resources, and most importantly, it empowers your visitors with knowledge. Cheers, and stay safe, here from the team at Interspectral.